Hello, I'm back with another recipe from Persia. This is going to be Persian eggplant dip. I have all of the ingredients I need out here, and my oven is already preheated to 350. So the first step is to cut this in half. Okay, the next step, I've cut it in half. Now I'm cutting it long ways into quarters. Oops. Okay, I just finished cutting it and now it's on my baking sheet. I mixed up my seasonings so that they're even, and I'm going to sprinkle all of this is salt, pepper, and cayenne pepper. Okay, so I finished seasoning them, and I drizzled olive oil on them. Now they go in the oven 350 30 minutes. Okay, take a look. I've taken the roasted eggplant out of the oven. This is what it looks like. And now, I should have been doing this earlier, but I'm doing it now. I'm going to chop these onions up and then caramelize them. Okay. The recipe didn't call for this, but I added cooking wine since the bottom of my pan has started getting dark. So I added some wine to deglaze the pan. My onions are finished caramelizing, and now I'm peeling off the skin of this eggplant. Here we are. It's all peeled and in the food processor. Now it's going to be blended. Now it's starting to come together, and I'm placing my garlic in here, the walnuts, the yogurt. I'll use a spoon to get the rest of that, and most of the caramelized onions, but the recipe says not all, just for the garnish on top later. So I'll put most of them in. Leave that. Okay, now I'm going to be pulsing this for a few seconds. It says here for a few seconds on the recipe, or longer if you want it to be smooth. And I prefer not chunky, so. I'm putting in the dip now. It's gonna be sauteing for 2 minutes here. Olive oil in the pan. Okay, I'm adding in, now it's been on for 2 minutes. I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of lime juice. And some of the leftover spices, just a little bit. It's the taste, so I'm gonna taste some after 2 minutes and see about more. Here it is. This is the finished product. I tasted it and added a little bit more salt. And also I have pita bread that's been in the oven for a few minutes. And that's the final result.